In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Google Docs dark mode so you can write your documents without being blinded by all this light. So what you want to do is first open up Google Docs, then head over to Google. Now, once you're on Google, you want to do a search here for Google Docs dark mode. Now, depending on what web browser you're on, the first link should be the Chrome store or the Firefox store, depending on if you're on Google Chrome or Firefox. If you're on Opera, it will be the Opera store. Go ahead and then click dark mode for Google, and you're looking for a specific extension. So you can use this one, but what I would recommend you do is go to the Chrome store and just type in Google Docs dark mode. The one that I like to use is this one here with the blue circle with the white document in. Now we're here and we're on this Google Docs dark mode plugin. With this icon, you can go ahead and click add to Chrome. Click add extension, and that will add that extension here to Google Chrome. You can find it in your extensions tab here. So click on your extensions and here it is. Now go to Google Docs and just refresh the page. Now you can see you've got your document dark, and if you wanted to make it back light again, click on this button and you can switch from dark to light. That's pretty much all you have to do to enable or disable dark mode in Google Docs.